In this video, we're going to show you how to make your videos better with one simple click.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Filmstock YouTube channel. We are Chris and Christina, and we're here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
As content creators, we always want to make our videos more interesting and appealing, and Filmstock is a great tool that allows us to do that.
By adding animated and fun stickers to your videos, you can capture the audience attention and tell your story in a better way.
Just before we get into this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos like this one. So no matter what type of videos you create, Filmstock has a sticker pack for you. So let's take a look at some examples.
If you make videos about travel, then you can search for travel stickers on Filmstock. Here are some fun stickers you can add. You can even find stickers for certain destinations or travel activities. Then you can add them to your videos like this.
If you're in the gaming niche, then you can search for gaming stickers on Filmstock. Consider adding some of these cool gaming stickers to your videos just to help them stand out.
Another awesome way that you can use these stickers is for promotion of your social platforms. Search for social media on Filmstock and you will see a whole list of packs that contain really cool animated social media stickers.
Stickers like these are very important to remind whoever's watching to like and subscribe.
Or to help you promote your other channels or accounts. This can really help you to grow your audience by encouraging people to follow you by using these stickers.
And how you add these stickers to your videos is super easy. All you have to do is drag it onto your timeline above your clips and you're good to go. So those are just a few examples, but no matter what your niche is, you will be able to find some stickers to help make your videos better.
So head over to Filmstock to find some stickers for your videos. You can even search for something specific like hiking, coffee, Thanksgiving, avocados. There really is something for everyone.
So have a go, feel free to search around for some sticker packs on Filmstock and try using them in your own videos.
Have fun with it, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one.